Hi, I'm Terry from Engquist Tractor Service in McPherson, Kansas. We rebuild a lot of John Deere engines, many of them the 6068 and 4045 versions, and we've had really good results with the McBee rebuild kits. We're going to unbox a John Deere liner kit. Okay, we have the boxes with the wrist pins packaged separately so they don't get beat up. Good stuff. Protected well against rust, corrosion. Get the ring set, and it's the normal OEM style piston rings with the nice moly or chrome face top ring, the cast iron second, and the two-piece oil ring with expander. Good stuff, good quality stuff, top line. Liner O-rings, made just like OEM, same colors in fact, and we've had no trouble with them. A lot of aftermarket stuff we do have trouble with, but these we do not. They're good stuff. And then the piston and liner with the retention clips for the wrist pin. And the piston's good. The typical Ni-resist ring insert at the top. Just a nice cast piston, just like OEM. And same with the liner. They're good quality stuff, good castings. We haven't had any flaws in them. They're well honed. They're clean. They're nice. And we've had zero problems with them being out of tolerance anywhere. The counterbore is accurate on the top. The lower one is also accurate. We don't have any excess play. It fits within spec. In fact, we'll drop one into the block and we can measure the standout. This block has had the counterbores cut to spec. We decked it and cut the counterbore to spec. So we'll drop that in and we'll clamp it down with a couple of heavy-duty washers. And the spec is 1 to 4 thousandths of liner protrusion here at the edge where the head gasket sits. So we'll zero this gauge to the deck, and then we'll slide it over here. We'll get 3 thousandths right there. Slide her back, 0, 3. And say 1 to 4 is the factory spec, and from the middle of the spec to top is best for head gasket service. So we're right at 3, which is right where we want it. So that's accurate.